The window is so buggy.
Roll it down. Not a bass.
Whoa!
Dude, the frog would be fire right now.
Let's give her the old set, eh, bud?
Alright.
Look at this.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the Slaw St. Lawrence smallmouth beatdown trip. We are on the quest for 25 pounds of smallmouth for our best 5. We're catching them on beds. We're struggling a little bit here on the first day, but I promise you day 2 and day 3 do get a little bit better. Some of the guys are catching them. If you guys haven't checked out part 1 yet, you might be a little lost. So go click the link in the description to check out part 1, where Ryan lost a PB smallmouth on a bed, which kind of sucks. And we catch a bunch of dinks, but we do a lot of searching, a lot of figuring out what they're doing, talking to the other guys. So go check out part 1. This is part 2. It's going to start off with us going a little shallow for largemouth because we're kind of getting a little discouraged. So we went and tried to catch a big largemouth quick with a frog and do some flipping, catch a little bonus fish, and yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah. I'm like, alright, challenge accepted. So I'm not leaving these bushes until I catch one. And I skipped that jig, and they must have been tucked right up against them because I put it and it like fell right next to the base. I went to pick up, and I set the hook, and my dad goes, "Get out of here! That was like 6 inches of water." Yeah. I said, "I told you, I don't know how their backs aren't sitting out of the water." Oh God!
There he is. Net? It's a pike. No, it's a bass.
It's a largemouth. All right. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that.
I thought it was a pike. Where did he come from?
I have no idea. He was just chilling. He might have came from underneath that dock to get it.
I was thinking that. £2.
He's chunky.
Yeah, we need him. We need him for the 3-3 thing.
Whoa, that was cool. Frog?
South, baby.
Is that a frog?
Yeah, it's a frog.
That is so cool. Choked it.
Let's go.
I guess it doesn't really matter because they're kind of
big enough?
in it. No, not big enough. Whoa! That's a keeper. Frog.
There you go.
Number 2 on the frog.
Gone forever. This Ned rig's gonna be gone forever. I just fired it in there. That looks like a bed way up on top.
This gets stuck in there, we gotta go get it. got bit in a while. Got him?
It's a little dumb. Boy, they sure do have some fight in them.
Cute little guy. Even the small ones are fat though.
Oh yeah. Hi, buddy.
Is that on a Senko? Wacky rigged? Yeah, it was. Woof.
Alright, I'm sick of not catching fish.
Ouch.
12-incher number 25. Broke my O-ring off.
Ooh, bluegill. There is life.
There's ribs everywhere. What?
I got one looking at it.
That's the same one I'm looking at.
He swam over to it.
Yeah, he did. Nope. Oh. Hop it. Oh. He's so spooked.
He swam over to it.
I see why he's here.
Why? What the hell's that?
Fry. He's a fry garter. Those are all baby bass.
Oh yeah, they are. Oh, there's a pile of bass in here.
Yeah,
I see 'em.
I saw another 12-incher.
There's another decent one back there swimming.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right there.
That's what I said. They're all over the place.
Shit.
Oh. Oh, he looked right at it. And he swam away.
I had one look at mine too. Dude, the frog would be fire right now.
Come on. Yo. Yo. Oh, he turned. He thought about it so hard.
Is this a real thing that's gonna eat my children? Nah.
Bass. 5-pounder.
I see him. Not a 5-pounder.
You sure?
Yes.
Bass. Whoa! Oh! That was awesome! He annihilated that thing.
Yeah, he did.
Oh my god, as soon as it hit the water, he goes, phew! Oh, God!
Not a bass, not a bass, not a bass!
Whoa!
Snake!
Giant bowfin. Not giant. He ate a frog?
Yeah. I made the dog angry. You lip a bowfin?
I wouldn't suggest it. Dope.
Ooh, fry guard.
Beyond.
Look at that dust ring behind him.
Where?
Right in front. What? Caleb, look down.
I knew that.
Zoop, that's probably good for your intake. Dragging through the mud.
Aw, Zoo. Yep, that's why it's so muddy. Ours, I don't know, ours is pretty muddy too, though.
Yeah, but it's not dragging in
Oh,
the mud.
Is it bad?
yeah.
Mud.
There's like 3 inches of mud inside the prop.
No.
You're fine.
She's still there?
I don't see anything. Spectator mode, baby.
We can't catch a fish.
Stop.
Zoom. You look like a tennis mom.
That's the look. Scott Martin Jr., baby.
Oh, she gone. Last words?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's give it the old set, eh, bud?
Alright.
Look at this thing.
Oh yeah. Alexandria Bay, 2 o'clock on a Saturday.
We're dead.
Any last
Yeah.
words? In
None.
case they find the camera and not us.
None that my family would want to hear.
At least the castles look pretty. We'll go out at least looking at cool things.
This is how I want to die, looking at an old ass castle on an island. Oh, we're dead. So, why is there a Caribbean cruise line coming at us?
Holy shit! Look at Zoom! Zoom's going head on with it. Act like a phoenix!
It's a phoenix, baby!
Uh-oh.
Time it, yeah!
Smooth!
Oh god! Time it, yeah! Oh god! Nope.
This doesn't it. Oh! That one hurt.
Worst angle.
Oh yeah. That would hurt.
Oh, that was the hardest I've ever hit. So you can only go to here.
So, wait.
Okay. French Creek.
Lou. Lou.
It's a candid, just take it.
Where'd you catch him on today?
Caught him on a third. You know how much I hate? I thought it was bad throwing a Senko to catch bass, but no, it's not.
I caught so many bass.
Throwing a Ned rig. Hey, I'm gonna cast out there, drag 2 times. Oh, I got a smallmouth. Whoa, this is so fun. I can't set the hook because I'm gonna rip the thing out of its mouth. Yay. Z-Man.
So, the only guy that actually caught decent fish today was throwing that.
So you don't.
And he hates throwing that, and everybody else here likes throwing that.
No, I don't like throwing it either.
You don't like throwing a Ned?
No.
Who likes
Why?
finesse fishing?
So the
man,
Ned.
it's too small, man.
What?
It's
Listen, I would never have a girlfriend if that was the case.
All the same with me, dude. That's why I'm single.
What do you think? We're gonna hammer on him tomorrow instead?
Less boats?
Monday. 29 pounds on Cayuga.
That's nuts.
That's what won today on Cayuga, 29 pounds.
But 30 pounds won here. In
Yeah, what
Waddington.
do we have?
14.
You're such a liar. It was not 14 pounds. Maybe 12. On a good day.
I don't know. Those largemouth pretty chunky.
What'd you guys have?
It's like 1.5.
22?
No.
22? That was pretty. You guys had 3 people in your boat though. That's cheating. What'd you guys have?
18.
18? We suck. Zoob!
Zubadiah.
Lou, does this?
What'd you catch him on
Wait, my
today?
fly's down. Wait, stop. Wait.
Actually,
How much did you have today? Weight-wise?
10.
10 to 12.
Yo. Ryan, we beat Zoob. Hey, guess what won on Cayuga today?
30.
Yep. 29.
Close.
Alright guys, that is going to do it for the first day of the St. Law trip 2020. We still have tomorrow and Monday. We're supposed to be leaving early Tuesday morning. Right now we're in the air about maybe fishing tomorrow, St. Law, and if it's cheeks, going to Cayuga Monday, just because Lou and Ryan have an extra long drive on Tuesday to get back down south. So just gonna see what happens tomorrow. If we sack them up, probably stay here Monday. If we don't sack them up, probably bail, go to Cayuga, try to get on some largemouth. So pretty much today we ran north towards Waddington from Clayton, and me and Ryan kind of sucked it up. We had our one team do really good. Derek, Lou, and his father caught like 22 pounds, caught a lot of nice fish. Unfortunately, we don't have any of that on camera. And yeah, Ryan and I it was kind of cheeks. We threw a frog, Ned rig, drop shot. You saw the one nice fish that we lost, but besides that, caught a lot of small fish. Just couldn't get on any of the big ones. So the game plan tomorrow is going to be launch out of Clayton and head towards the mouth of the lake instead of heading towards Waddington, kind of where Derek and Lou hung out today, and hopefully get on some of those bigger fish. Basically today, if you guys want to know what we did, we tried for largemouth. Ryan threw a frog, got a couple on a frog, caught some on a jerk bait, Ned rig, found some on bed still. And pretty much what happened was in our area, all the smallmouth beds were empty. And in other areas like where Lou and Derek were, they were still catching them off the beds, and like I said, all of our beds were just completely empty. So we did catch a couple that were still on there, but they were smaller. That one that Ryan lost, that was big. Don't know if we're gonna be able to find more on beds tomorrow. There was a big tournament that launched out today, and I know that probably put a hurting on a lot of the good ones that were on beds. So gonna see what happens. Hopefully it'll work out. To end the video, gonna do a quick tour of our sweet crib that we're staying in these 3 days in St. Lawrence. Pretty much this is our driven down south tour for this year, our spring break, where all of us get together, everybody that we went to college with that was on Penn State bass fishing, do it. A nice fishing trip, everybody's together. So let's take a tour of the sick house and say goodbye to the guys in this first episode to end it. So right now, I'm filming in the basement. This is an Airbnb, by the way. Planner Lou hooked us up. Planned it all out for $100 a person. The basement, complete with a bar, air hockey table, TV, couch, sweet ping pong table, censored. We got Zoob's room in here, Caleb and Matt. This is the front of the house, right off of New York 12, the road that leads directly to French Marina. Pretty sick, huge ass garage. Go in the front. You got Caleb's sleeping on the pull-out couch. TV, one bathroom that we're all sharing, fun. Lou and Derek's room, Derek's on the phone, can't go in there. Me and Ryan's room. Got the AC blasting, that is essential. It's nice and cold in here, especially because it's been ridiculously hot on the lake. Make sure to keep that closed. The house. Little dining room table. Looks over NY12. Kitchen. Got Derek cooking dinner tonight. Nice deer neck roast.
Nice.
About to close out the first day. Any
yeah, man.
ending thoughts?
Even though people are getting their teeth kicked in, there's definitely fish somewhere. I think we missed the main event,
These guys didn't get their teeth kicked in though.
but we caught.
We got our teeth kicked in. You guys did good.
We had 22 pounds and we had big pike dreams, and we caught 5 fish on Ned rigs. So you gotta do what you can.
Ending thoughts?
Hashtag big pike dreams.
This is our back porch. Grills, JoJo Jr. Boats.
Your room is so cold. Oh, hey.
Zoop.
Stop.
Stay out of my room.
Caleb.
Stay out of my
What's up, buddy?
The boys about to play some drinking games, play some beer darts. Everybody say hi to our 3 fans, Steven and Wyatt. Hi, Steven and Wyatt. Alright guys, that is it for the first episode of the St. Law Tour 2020. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button down below if you like this video. Stay tuned for day 2 coming out tomorrow, or how many days I drop it from when I drop this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000, only like 80 away. And again, thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next episode of the Super Bass Bros.